and Tobago, Brian Barnett, Haiti, Shanoya Douglas, Jamaica, Soleil Frederick, Trinidad and Tobago, Sabrina Dockery, Jamaica, and Shatalia Dorset of the Bahamas. What a field for the 200 final. Shanoa Frederick won the title in the Bahamas in 2023. Soleil Frederick, there she is, took silver last year in Grenada. The top four from last year are all back. Shanoya Douglas, the defending champion. Soleil, the silver medalist from last year. Dockery, there she is, the bronze medalist from last year. And Shanoa Frederick, who finished fourth in that Grenada final. All in this field. Jemiah Nabi of the Bahamas, the sprint double champion in the under 17 category in the Bahamas, is there as well. So too is that lady, Shatalia Dorset, who won bronze in the 100 meters. Can she produce another run to get us a prize medal here at 200? Brian Barnett of Haiti, Saraya Doreska, her teammate, got to the 100 final, and now she represents the French nation in the 200 meters. Sophia Swindle of the US Virgin Islands was in the 100 hurdles final earlier today, and she also takes a place at 200. There's Shanoa Frederick in lane number 3. Can't tell them apart because Soleil Frederick has her hair let down.
Their father, Peter Frederick, 200-meter national champion on this very track, June 1998.
He was part of their coaching setup in high school. Sure, he's still giving them advice even though they're in university. Under 20 girls 200 final. Not seeing lane 2. That's Nabi of the Bahamas. Under 20 girls 200 final. Shanoa Frederick got away brilliantly. She's covered Barnett. Sabrina Dockery's running a fast curve. So too is Shanoya Douglas. The 100 champion leads. Dockery, her teammate, chasing her, and the Frederick twins. Dorset is running brilliantly. Douglas beats them magnificently. And there's a line behind her for second and bronze. For silver and bronze. Dorset has produced another stellar effort for the Bahamians, and she might have snatched a medal. It is so close. It is so close for silver and bronze. But the world under 20 champion, the third fastest Jamaican junior in history, dismisses a quality field and wins the Carifta under 20 title. We still don't know the time. No, we do. 23:02. She is the sprint double champion.
Well, congratulations to Shanoya Douglas taking the double here and offering her congratulations to those around. The Jamaica flag is unfurled proudly here at the Hazel Crawford Stadium.
It was never a contest. It was never a contest. The world under 20 bronze medalist. There is Soleil Frederick, the silver medalist last year. It was pretty clear then. There's nothing clear about it this time around. Is she leaving the Carifta Games with another individual medal? Dockery was close as well, but I think she was shut out of it. The Frederick twins there. Dorset was there. And I also think Brian Barnett might have been there for Haiti. My goodness me, it was so close. They're all waiting. The stadium announcer has called it. Well, here's another look at it. This will help us to decide while we wait on the confirmation. Shanoya Douglas leading off the curve, and once that happens, you know the rest of the field is in trouble. She powers down the home stretch. The Frederick twins, Dockery, Dorset, all there. Yeah, Barnett of Haiti was nowhere close. Dorset given second, and one of the Frederick twins, I think it might have been Soleil, or was it Sanaya? Let's watch closely who was given third. Oh, this is tight. Douglas? Oh, wow. That doesn't help.
It's Soleil. It's lane number 6 from what I've seen. Yeah, it is Soleil Frederick. In lane number 6, she's been given the bronze medal.
Well, we'll get confirmation now in that brilliant under 20 girls 200 final. Shanoya Douglas of Jamaica, World Under 20 bronze medalist last year, part of Jamaica's 4x100 relay winning team in Peru, successfully defending her Carifta title and completing the sprint double. The 19-year-old Frederick twins say goodbye to the Carifta Games. It's been a delight to watch them as well over the last 3 editions. Sanaya was by some way the better of the two in the Bahamas. Soleil came last year and made a name for herself with a silver medal run, and she's back this year to secure the bronze medal. Here we go. 23.02 for Douglas, she's the champion. 23.43 for Soleil Frederick. 23.45. No, that's not correct, is it? Wow. 23.45 for Dockery for the bronze, and Dorset 23.45.
What's up, viewers? How are you doing? Much welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking in. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please like this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Ladies and gentlemen, what a fabulous race. Girls 200 meters does under 20 final at the Carifta Games 2025 track and field event season in Trinidad and Tobago, where we are seeing brilliant performance from Jamaican SHANOYA Douglas, keeping her own golden double with a sensational victory, winning gold in 23.02 seconds, comfortably ahead of photo finish club for the remaining medals. The 200-meter defending champion from the Caribbean powerhouse, that's Jamaica, in her statement after the race said the crowd was very noisy and she just kept her composure and focused on blocking out the noise and executing the perfect race. Oh my God, what the words. How great are the words. Soleil Frederick of Trinidad and Tobago took silver in 23.43 seconds, and Jamaican Sabrina Doki settled for bronze in 23.45 seconds, and Bahamas Shatia Dashat finished fourth in 23.45 seconds. And ladies, you can see here the same time with Sabrina Doki, who secured bronze, but they were separated by mere thousandth of second in a thrilling blanket finish. Guys, as you can see, it was such a very impressive track and field event, under 20 girls 200 meter final Carifta Games 2025. But guys, you will all agree with me that these young upcoming athletes, especially from Jamaica, are not a joke. They are not leaving any stone unturned, as we can see. They are giving other countries, other Caribbean nations sleepless night. As you can see, Jamaica took gold and bronze. Remember, in the 100 meter, the same lady, SHANOYA Douglas, secured gold, and Doke and Sabrina Doke secured silver. It's not a joke. These girls are not joking. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for your precious time. Kindly like the video, comment, tell me how you find the video, tell me where you are watching from, and tell me how you think of these young and brilliant upcoming athletes from Jamaica. And Also, don't forget to share the video set widely. And if it's your first time coming to this channel, kindly subscribe. If you have not yet subscribed, this is your time. Take me to 20,000 subscribers kindly. Bye for now.